Want to hide or remove the Meta AI button from your WhatsApp home screen? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the pop-up. Next, go to Chats in the Settings menu. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Show Meta AI button. Tap the toggle to turn it off, and the Meta AI button will be hidden immediately from your home screen. If you want to delete Meta AI chat conversations, long press the chat in your chat list and tap the delete icon at the top of the screen. This will remove all AI conversations from your WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully hidden or removed the Meta AI button on WhatsApp. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.